For the preparation to make government change smoothly on November 12, 2024, the Edo Transition Committee meets once again for more talk on Monday, October 28, 2024, and they come extend the meeting enter on Tuesday, October 29, 2024. The reason for this meeting is to show, review, and suggest ideas on how the current government they affect different areas for the state. The outgoing Government Transition Committee will get plenty commissioners, permanent secretaries, and other government officials present what them don't achieve under Governor Godwin Obaseki-led administration for education, health, social development, sports, infrastructure, environment, and agriculture. Some of the committee members of the outgoing government will talk now. Commissioner for Education Dr. John Osaoviawe, Commissioner for Fiscal Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development Isoke Omo, and Permanent Secretary for Ministry of Business, Trade and Cooperative Bose Joy Igbinogaru. For the meeting, members of the incoming government can ask plenty questions based on the presentations. Some questions them answer on the spot, while other questions go need answers plus the materials we then request for the next meeting. For one talk session with Tori people, Honorable Patrick Ikariale, Secretary of the Transition Committee for the incoming government, can give summary of the discussions.
It's a continuation of the process that has been on for some time, and it's interesting to note that we've had a very useful meeting, deliberations, issues were raised, questions were raised, and answers were given, and both parties have come to, a reasonable understanding. So far so good. The whole idea is to be able to have sufficient information, background understanding of the happenings in government, so that the incoming administration would, through the handover note, be fully abreast with the state of affairs in the state. I'm pleased to say that so far so good. All that we have discussed, have been things that will move the state forward. At the end of the day, we are hopeful that the useful information we have gathered will be of help to the incoming government and the state as a whole. So if there is any need for additional information like we've agreed, we'll call for it. But so far, so good. There's no misunderstanding in any material sense. So we're all working towards the same objectives.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.